When you fly somewhere, you really think about packing. You know, you talk it out with each other. Do I need 12 belts? You know? We stuff things in the shoes, that's a good spot. We always weigh it, we don't know, but we're like, oh yeah, that feels about right, uh-huh. But if you're driving somewhere, bring it! Bring it, we're driving. Bring it! Honey, should I bring the blender? Yes. We're driving. I may want to make fresh tomato soup this weekend. What about the treadmill? It's already packed. We're driving. We're driving. 2005 tax returns? Of course. What if the accountant calls? We're driving. Do you guys get it, or do you want more examples of stuff?